In this video, we'll be philosophizing on existing processes and or existing properties derived from internal and or external characteristics. What is communicating the intrinsic processes and or intrinsic properties concerned with existence, as one is interested in explaining X characteristics in association to the communications of bem-definido causa efeito dinâmico associações in relation to often two variables, B, A, D, to be able to communicate effectively the inferences one can infer from X in association to the communications of as existence proof, existing properties as a must be, good enough, and necessarily necessary conditions, exist in relation to existing priors, intrinsic processes and or intrinsic properties, exist to mean internally and or externally valid, satisfying the internal and or external criteria for internal validity in association to meaningfulness, the internal and or external conditions once met in association to the meaningful criteria allow for internal validity to communicate the workable working parts and processes. One can engage direct perception to communicate as to the psychological truths of existence derived from the existence proof, meaning that be it some existing process exists, it cannot non-exist, and it exists in relation to always BADAX causa efeito dinâmico associações with distinct intrinsic processes and or intrinsic properties one defines within well-defined communications to describe and meaningfully communicate the elaborations within the existing processes and or existing properties. That's all I want to say for this video. Hope you have an awesome one. Keep looking those episodes.